Jeep doesn't offer its all-new 2018 Wrangler with a V8, but a shop in Florida has remedied the situation, dropping a small block Chevy under the hood. That didn't take very long, did it? Bruiser Conversions of Clearwater has announced that it's offering V8 conversion kits for the JL-generation Wrangler using a Chevrolet LS3 crate engine. The company says it uses Jeep's factory ECU to control the engine and sync it with all the other systems in the car, which means the instrument panel, cruise control, push-button start, air conditioning, and all other electronics that were taught initially to talk to the Jeep's stock powertrains. The conversion retains the Wrangler's 8-speed automatic transmission. There's no word on whether Bruiser will offer the package to manual-equipped trucks. After you purchase your own particular Wrangler, valuing for the pack is $24,500 for a 450 HP setup and $27,500 for a 500 HP setup. This incorporates all essential transformation parts and work, yet the organization likewise says it will offer DIY variants. We're not going to mislead anybody, we'd love to drive one.